Hello and welcome to the Future Educators Academy website. FEA is a grant-funded lab school designed for students interested in becoming a licensed teacher in the state of Virginia. We are targeting high school sophomores to help you plan your junior and senior years. And while the grant lasts, it is free to students in Virginia. Students will take courses on our campus in a cohort model. That means you will be with the same group of students through your 2 years at Laurel Ridge, building lifelong friendships with people who will be your colleagues one day. Your coursework was carefully selected to meet high school dual enrollment requirements, the requirements to earn your Associate of Science in Education, and for a smooth transfer to Virginia four-year colleges and universities. Upon completion, not only will you have earned that high school diploma and your Associate of Science in Education, you will also have had the option of earning the WISE credential, your CPR and First Aid certification, and any assessments required for transfer. You will be ready for a smooth transfer to a Virginia four-year institution on track to earn that bachelor's degree and a Virginia teaching license. This is an academically rigorous college program, but along the way we will provide you with the supports you need to be successful. This includes academic tutoring, coaching through the transfer process, and if you come to us with an IEP or a 504, we will honor that and follow those documented accommodations. We want you to be successful. The day starts early at FEA. Most students will be transported to the college by the school division school bus or car, but students can get permission to drive or parents can arrange other transportation. Mondays through Thursdays you take 2 classes with a break in between, then leave the college, go back to your home school division for lunch and to complete any other high school courses you need in the afternoon. You're back in time to participate in any after-school sports or clubs. We call Fridays Flex Fridays. On Fridays, you'll either be on campus to take the required education courses or in an assigned elementary school completing your required practicum under the mentorship of a professional teacher. A practicum is a bridge between observation and full student teaching. You'll start out observing, then begin gradually taking on more responsibility, maybe working with small groups of students on activities and projects, developing bulletin boards, or escorting students to their specials. You may even have the opportunity to teach a mini lesson, work through some review material, and even some light grading. On other Fridays, we'll spend time in tutoring you to help you through college English and math. We'll prep you for transfer, bring in guest speakers, get involved in some community service, and take some field trips to local schools, and even some college visits. A bachelor's degree is required to teach in the state of Virginia. The curriculum has been carefully planned for that in mind. Through Transfer VA, we already have guaranteed transfer agreements for students who qualify, but FEA has been working with four-year colleges and universities to build unique transfer agreements specifically for FEA graduates. We already have agreements in place with several, and there are more in the works. And good news, all of this comes at no cost to you during the life of the grant. This is over a $10,000 value. It covers tuition, books, and supplies, even a computer on loan for the duration of the program. All we ask of you is a 2-year commitment to teach in your home school division upon graduation with your bachelor's degree. In order to be eligible for this amazing opportunity, you must be a rising junior, have 3 verified credits by the end of 10th grade, be in good academic and disciplinary standing, and have a high school transcript showing a 3.0 minimum GPA or by passing one of our assessments. Applications for the next academic year will be due in the fall. There is both an online portion and a paper portion to the application. Student and parental information and signatures are required, as well as information you'll need from your high school counselor. If you have any questions at all, please reach out to us. We would love to chat with you about this amazing opportunity.